Here I have the OneOdio Fusion. This is in the A70 style. I did get these in blue, but I actually have these also in the rose gold color. So today I'll be unboxing them, showing you what they look like, what is included in your box. So let's keep on watching. As you can see here, your headphones do come in a drawstring bag. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out. Very, very nice. They come in a drawstring bag just like this. So we're going to go ahead and review those here shortly. Let's see what else is inside the box. So in your box, you will also receive a manual for your headphones, just warning and cautions. In the plastic bag, you will receive additional accessories. For example, this is the charger. So you could see it is a Type-C to USB. So that is included. You will also receive the microphone. So that is the mic set. You could go ahead and plug this directly into your headphones. And then another great feature about these headphones is that you are able to plug them in directly to the headphones, and then you could also plug them in to your DJ set or any other type of outlet that has this kind of port. So let's go ahead and take a look at the headphones. These right here are the blue headphones. As you could see, very, very nice quality. They are labeled left and right. So you could see the padding on the ear set. It is nice and cushioned. Take a look. Beautiful blue color display. So you can take a look here at the bottom. This is where you'll be plugging in the other one if you do not wish to use it wirelessly. And then this is where you would plug in your mic. Right here, you do have the controls. You have your power, you have your minus and your plus to adjust the volume. On the top here, it does have OneOdio. Very, very nice. And then it also has cushion on the headpiece. The great thing about these is that they are collapsible, so it makes it easy to adjust and travel with. Take a look at that. I'm going to be showing you the pink ones now. So the same thing, the pink ones do come in a drawstring bag. I'm going to go ahead and pull them out. This is such a beautiful rose gold color. Take a look at these. The great thing is that these are so versatile. You could use them wirelessly or you could plug them in. Very, very nice, super compact. Again, I love the flexibility. The ears do swivel. Very nice rose gold color. These are the same style. These are in the A70 style. Cushion up top. Name brand on the top right here. They do have a variety of color options available, but overall, definitely would recommend. They are so comfortable. They fit nice and snug in your ears. If you're looking for some nice headphones, then I would definitely recommend. Again, you get a variety of options to use them, and there is a variety of color options available.